Lisa already been on here. She's in mentorship. Oh, learning from the best notary educators. Alicia, that is touching my heart, girl. I'm just so proud of you for real. I know I tell you that all the time, but you really are doing a thing. They're saying congrats. Alicia, are you scared to come on YouTube? Let me know right quick, because I would love to interview you. For real, you are doing a thing. And I love what I love about Alicia so much, for real. Actually, all the people that are really winning too, they're humble. They're humble. So I may come back and say, hey, what about such and such? And they're like, oh, okay. She had a little situation. We worked through it together. So the ones that I find don't do that well, if you already got a little attitude about yourself, I'm probably not your trainer for you. Because if it's not right, we're going to have to talk it out. I'm not being mean, but sometimes I don't have a lot of time to kind of coddle and baby. I just don't, because we got so many people in mentorship and they got signing. So if I'm taking 2 hours with you and you're signing, that's not going to work. But Alicia's one, she will listen. She gets the assignment and she go for it. I'm not mean by a long shot. That's just not in my spirit. But I guess I could be mean. Let me not say that. But I'm not mean. But at a certain point, it's like, okay, we gotta move on. We gotta move on. We gotta move on. And a lot of times, because we're not taking our time reading instructions, and we have to do better at that, guys. Even in mentorship, wherever you are, I'm bad at it sometimes. I'll go through something and then I'll have to go back and ask Jeff or ask someone else. I'm like, what about this? Our old trainer, Angela, me and her used to do that all the time. She said, Kim, you ain't read it, did you? I'm like, nope. I'll call her. I'll be like, girl, what about such and such? She said, you ain't read it. But Alicia, $350, girl, did mentorship not pay for itself this month? What? It is a tax write-off too. Congratulations. And thank you so much. She says, learning from the best notary educators. I really appreciate that, Alicia. S. Thompson is saying, congrats to you. Summer saying, what should be my next step while I'm waiting on my commission before I start notarizing? Oh, summer 24. I would highly recommend 2 things. Get my book, Start Your Notary Business in the State of Ohio. Okay. I've helped many people in Ohio. Get that book. That way you get a nice overview of the business, what you can do. Your state handbook tells you how to do some of your notarial acts in the state, right? But it doesn't teach you how to build a business. So if you want to be a true business owner, get the Start Your Business book. You can get the ebook or the paperback. Either one. Don't matter to me. Next, I need you to either enroll in the startup plan or the all-inclusive plan, depending on how serious you are about your business, okay? If not, at least start notarize like a pro so you can properly know how to notarize these documents, okay? Before you start getting out there. I can just tell from your questions you are ready to go. And if I don't get you to slow down, honey, you're going to be out there just stamping papers, okay? And I appreciate your zeal, and I want you to do that. I do. Everybody on this chat will tell you, Kimmi wants you to start stamping quicker than anybody else. But I need you to know what you're doing. I want you notarizing like a pro. I want you to hear this tonight in your sleep. Kimmi, listen. Notarize like a what? Notarize like a pro. Notarize like a what? Notarize like a pro. Like for real. I do not want you out there just stamping papers. Alicia will tell you, and she was so candid a few weeks ago in a session. And we are going to, like I said, we'll have a video coming out soon. But she was like, it cost her thousands of dollars by not knowing how to properly do her notarial duties. Alicia, okay, let me see what you said, Alicia. So what I would recommend, just to make sure we're clear, summer 24, is to make sure you get my book, Start Your Notary Business. Number two, come back and get proper training, honey. And then we can do that Google page. And then we can start getting clients, please, okay? Follow the process. You could try to just get your commission, just read the handbook and go out there and start stamping. I don't recommend it. Pump the brakes. Alicia says, you want me to come on? For real? Yes, I will. Let's plan it. You will? Okay. All right. I want you to come on. I might let it be when I get my sister on. She's supposed to be a guest co-host too. So maybe it'll be that day on a Monday. Tell me what day is good for you. You don't have to tell me right now. You can tell me in session. I don't know that I'll be on session tonight because I actually have an appointment tonight. It's Alexis's night. So I'll try to hop on tonight. Between Alexis and myself, we do the training. But I got 3 this month, so you'll see me plenty. for the month of October. We have 5 weeks. So we meet every week, 52 weeks a year. Here go my sister calling now, but she got to wait because I'm on live. What time is it? Oh, almost 5. I got to stop. Okay. Let me get these last few questions. But thank you, Alicia. We definitely will plan that live, okay? Because she is knocking it out the box. And that's not a paid advertisement, y'all. That's real. She's a real person. You can touch her. Summer 24 says, thanks for that, Kimmi. I'll purchase your book. I will follow your steps. Please, Summer. Please, Summer 24. And then that way I know you'll be out there notarizing like a pro. Notarizing like a pro. Running your business like a pro. Okay? And then I'll feel much more confident. And you will too. The main thing is for you to feel confident. I already know what I'm doing. I want to help you in your business so you can feel more confident, okay? And in the meantime, you can be watching some of these videos too. I purchased the book, received on Monday. Hey, Orangey Orange, cool. Very good. So after you read the book, then let's get you in mentorship, okay? My goal is to have my commission by October 31st. Yes, so let's get the commission first. I understood. Orangey Orange. Look, Orangey Orange. Is orange your favorite color? Is orange your favorite color? So yeah, let's get you get your commission first, and then let's get you a mentorship sometime in November, okay? Because I don't really like people to start mentorship and they don't have their commission. I don't. I know people are so excited. Let me go ahead and join. No, get your commission and then come on back. We're going to be here. Mentorship is not going nowhere. But the reason I say that is because it's like, I tell you to go buy a car. Now, a car salesman going to do this, okay? Because I'm from Detroit. Y'all know how we do up in Detroit. The car salesman will let you buy a car even though you don't have a driver's license, okay? Now, they may put it in somebody else's name, but they'll let you do stuff you don't have insurance. I'm not going to let you do that. I want you to have your driver's license first, which would be equal to your commission, right? Then after we get the commission, then we're going to come back for training, right? We're not going to put the cart before the horse. Okay? We're going to do it in the right order. We're going to put it in the right order. So Orangey Orange says, I was on the live and you said do the book, get the commission, then do mentorship. I'm trying to follow the steps. Orangey Orange is going to knock it out the box. Yes, whenever you follow the steps work. That is the steps right there. That is the steps. And I don't change. You see, I don't change, right? I don't even know what live you were on because I know you've been on a few of them. But I don't change. The same thing for the last 5 years, okay? We're going to get the book, get our commission, or commission and book, either way. Then we're going to come back for the proper training, mentorship. Training before driving. Got it. Yes. Summer 24. I think I would like you. Yes. Okay. We're going to get some training before we start driving. We're going to get some training before we start stamping. Can everybody in the back say it for me? Training before you start stamping. 2 times. 2 for emphasis. Training before we start what? Stamping like a what? Pro. Okay. Last chance for questions. I got 2 minutes because we have so many people just joined. Like for real, a lot of people just joined. They might be getting off work. Y'all got 2 minutes. Any questions? Because I got to go for real. 2 minutes because I'm already late. Yeah, I didn't realize what time it was. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Any other questions? Last minute. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Rapid fire. Rapid fire. Training before stamping like a pro. Yes. Summer 24. You got it. I'll be looking for you. Anything else? Training before we start stamping. Yes. Oh, yeah, I like that little saying too. I like that. Training before we start stamping. S. Thompson says, thank you. You're so welcome. I thank all of you too for joining me today. Hopefully we're changing some lives out here. Some transformations is happening from stamp to cash. How about that? All right, guys. Well, I'm out of here. I will see you either in mentorship on my live tomorrow. I just don't know what time it's going to be tomorrow. Alicia, thank you again and congratulations. Yes, training before stamping like a pro, people. That's what we're doing. All right. Well, I will see you guys soon. Much success to everyone. Alicia, I'll be in touch with you, honey. It won't be the next couple of days, but I definitely will be in touch. All right. Much success to everybody. Keep stamping, Alicia. Bye, Lisa. Bye, everybody. Sheena, I think you were on here too, right? Yeah, I think I saw Sheena on here too earlier. All right. Bye, guys. Take care.